Hello, it's Amia and Renee, and I'm so excited to show you guys this new bag, to do an unboxing of this bag that I wanted for over a year. And it's a Louis Vuitton bag. So let me tell you about this while I'm unboxing it. This bag that I wanted, it's been sold out for over a year. And every time I would go to the store, everybody would just say it's sold out. Won't you try another color? And I wanted the monogram pattern. So this one sales associate, when I went to Louis Vuitton last month, she told me that she could get me the bag. So I would have to be patient though, because since they're sold out, every time they get them, they sell out really fast. So she would put me on a waiting list and take my credit card information. And once the bag come in, she'll call me. If I still want it, then she'll run my credit card. Which I said that's fine, because I want this bag. And I've been patient. Like I said, I've been wanting this bag for over a year. Once I make a, as you could say, a luxury purchase, I don't do it like an impulse. I wait. I think about it. I'll contemplate. See if I really want it, because, you know, I'm a regular working woman, so I don't have hundreds of dollars just sitting around. So when I buy something that is luxury, I want to make sure this is something that I really want. This is going to be an investment, something that's not just for the moment. But let me stop running my mouth. Of course, this is the box that came in. Oh, so also, my sales associate, which her name is Brittany. So if anybody goes to the Louis Vuitton store in Towson, look for her because she's amazing. But anyway, so when she called me, she told me they found a bag, but it's from a Louis Vuitton inside of Saks Fifth. And the only thing about that is, if you did want to do a return, you would have to do it at a Louis Vuitton in Saks Fifth. You can't do it at a freestanding store. You would have to go to Louis Vuitton and at Saks Fifth. But I told her that's fine. I didn't want to do a return, so my receipt came in this Saks Fifth envelope. I didn't even open it yet because they already ran my card and I already know how much it costs. Back to unboxing. So the only thing that I was a little irritated by is it was just all loose in this box. Like, you couldn't put anything inside of it from it sliding around. Maybe I'm just being picky, but as much as it costs, I want to protect it. We're getting to it. Of course, it's the dust bag. Let me slide back. Am I too close? Here it is. This is Louis Vuitton Pochette METIS and the monogram pattern. Oh my gosh. I love the way leather smells. I am so happy that I finally got my hands on this bag. So to open it, of course you push these two little clamps together and it pops open. And straps are inside. And when I say this bag is huge, for it to be a crossbody bag, it is huge. Look. Let me put the straps on really quick. So it has two compartments inside, a little back part, or back flap in the back. Let's see. The receipt, and you can go online if you want to know how much it costs and everything. Receipts and authenticity papers and everything. But to show you how big this bag is, so I have this huge MCM wallet, and a lot of my bags, if they're, you know, handbags, you know, if they are like crossbody, smaller bags, it never could fit my wallet in here. So it fits it in here nice and comfortably. Grab a couple more items that I would usually have. Let's see, my cell phone, put that in here. Got lip gloss and a lipstick. Slide that in the front part, along with my house keys and my car keys. Slide those in here as well, and you still have a lot of room. You see that? And I didn't even use this last back part. Oh, I did, but my phone back there. And then this last little zipper part. Oh, I'm so excited for this bag. So happy. And what I do love about this bag as well is that the straps are monogram as well. It's not the patina. And for the patina, I sprayed the Apple Guard leather protector on both right here, the strap, and this little flap right here, just so it can help from the wear and tear. If you know, if you have one, if you've seen a Louis Vuitton bag, from your natural oils, the environment, rain, whatever the case may be, the patina changes over time, but the guard will help it from changing. So this is the spray. I just ordered it off of Amazon, the Apple Guard or Apple brand spray. Like I said, I just did 2 coats on the patina right here, the handle, and this little flap right here, so it can help not fade as fast, because it will fade, but I don't want to fade it too fast. Now let me give you a nice close-up of this bag. This is so beautiful. I'm so excited. I already know this is going to be one of my favorite bags. So let me open it up again. So you can carry the bag by the handle, or let me step back for you. So cute. Crossbody it. I'm so excited for this bag. I am already in love. Isn't it cute? So I already knew, this is so funny, I already knew what outfit I wanted to wear with my bag the first day I got it. So I picked my dress. I got this dress from Free People. Nice little flowy dress. And my sandals, you can't see them, but I got them from Target. Let me see if you could see. Look at Nina in the background. I don't know if he's eyeballing the plant or he's trying to jump in the windowsill. But anyway, as always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye. Isn't she a beauty?